Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Peter.
Peter, very good. How old are you, Peter?
4.
4. 4. Are you sure 4? No, not find the number 4. Okay, very good if you're 4. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Tell me, where's Vietnam? That's good. Okay, Peter. Now let's talk about some colors. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue, very good. What color is it?
White.
White. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange. And what color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. That's very good. Now let's talk about what do you see?
I see one bowl.
Very good, Peter. What do you see now?
I see 2 apples.
Very good. Tell me, please, what do you see now?
I see 3
Fish.
fish.
Okay, how many fish do you see now?
I see 2 fish.
2 fish. Very nice. Tell me, how many cars do you see?
I see 5
Cars.
cars.
How many cars do you see now?
I see 3
Cars.
cars.
Okay, we have monkeys. How many monkeys do you see?
I see 6 monkeys.
6 monkeys. Very good. How many monkeys do you see now?
I see 4
Monkeys.
monkeys.
Okay, how many monkeys do you see now?
I see 3 monkeys.
3 monkeys. Very good. Thank you, Peter. Give me a high five. Boom. Goodbye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.